YouTube, what's going on? Audio 9, basically technical audio 10 vlogs here. Yeah, right here, yeah. Finally, with the gaming video. Yeah, second video of the day. So what we gonna play today? We're gonna play one more round of Tom Gold Run. And then we're gonna move on to another game, which is probably going to be Geometry Dash Light, because I honestly don't want to spend money on myself anymore. Honestly, man. So, let's get to it! Hi! Oh, and if you hear vacuums, oh, Sammy just made me. If you hear a vacuum in the background, that's my mom vacuuming. Okay, let's get here. 77 gems! Yeah! Yeah! I have so many gems for some reason. Okay, let's get this vault. I'm just opening my vaults. I like opening vaults. They're cool. More diamonds right now. So cool. Okay, let that open for friggin' 3 hours. And my high score, as you can see, 235,014 points. Let's get as far as I can. I'm just going to do one try, because that's how good I am. I know I'm going to get far in my first try. One try. And if I die early, sorry. I'll do a second try, okay? And I hope you guys can hear me well, because my mom is vacuuming. Oh gosh. Oh, that was glitchy. Let's keep going. Okay. So far so okay. That was too risky. So far so good. Okay, I'm not gonna talk. I'm gonna focus. What the heck was that? That looked like a refrigerator. What the heck? What the heck was that? Did you guys see that? I have no idea what that was. Oh my gosh. Oh god. Another notification about Livelies. It's like the 8th time someone has made a Lively today. More magnet time. Oh, I thought I could reach that. Oh god. No. I honestly needed to do that because I want to get all the... How the heck did I survive that? Helmet! Excuse me. I like the helmet because, like, it muffles the sound. It's so cool. Okay. 50k, 50k, 50k. Give me the 50k. Okay. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. 50k score. Okay, here we go. Oh, I'm sorry, Tommy. Come on. Yo, the same thing again. What is that? Is that a refrigerator? How was I supposed to collect that? I have no idea. Okay. Da 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 da. Give me more magnet time. Bum. Bum ba da ba da ba da ba. Whoo. Woo. Oh gosh. Oh goodness. Okay, I need to focus. I honestly need to focus now. Oh gosh. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Give me all the gold. I'm like swiping so much right now. Yes. Dang it! I keep... Oh, nards. Dang it. Come on, how would I die there? Okay. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't worry, Geometry Dash is going to be even more, like, interesting. So, if you liked the video, like, subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see ya in the next video. Bye!